Okay, so welcome to Quick Calculus, and in this example, we have here the limit as x approaches negative pi over 4 ng sine x plus pi over 4 all over 2 cosine x minus square root of 2. So, possible naman siguro na gawin ito using squeeze theorem. No? Pero this would be very difficult kasi meron kang sine sa numerator and meron kang cosine sa denominator. So, ang gagawin natin dito, gagamitin natin yung concept na natutunan natin from our previous video of special trigonometric limits. No? So, we have sine x plus pi over 4 and cosine x. No? So, saktong-sakto kasi sabi natin, limit ng sine x over x is equal to 1 and 1 minus cos x is equal to 0. Okay? So, first thing we could do is gawin natin yung sine x over x. Diba? So, we can say na y, let y to be equal to x plus pi over 4. Okay? Meaning nito na x is equal to y minus pi over 4. Okay? So, bakit yan important? So, gagawin natin ngayon na rewrite natin yung limit as x approaches negative pi over 4 to be sine y. Okay? Y is equal to x plus pi over 4. Then, yung denominator is 2 cosine y minus pi over 4 minus square root of 2. Okay, so now we have this new limit, no? And what could we do with this, no? So, pwede natin gawin is i-expand natin yung cosine y minus pi over 4, no? So, limit as x approaches negative pi over 4 sine y all over 2, okay, square bracket, tapos expand natin cos sin, no? So, this is cosine y cosine pi over 4 plus sin, so sin y sin pi over 4. Okay? And then, minus square root of 2. So, simplify lang natin. We have limit x approaches negative pi over 4 ng sin y all over 2 cosine y square root of 2 over 2, tama, plus sin y times square root of 2 over 2 close negative square root of 2. Okay? So, ano na ngayon mapapala natin dito? Now, we can express things sin y over y. Okay? So, we can multiply by 1 over y over 1 over y. Okay? So, what does this do? Magiging limit x approaches negative pi over 4 ng sin y over y all over. Okay? Simplify natin to. So, this would become negative square root of 2, 1 minus cosine y all over y plus square root of 2 sin y all over y. Tama? So, sinimplify lang natin itong denominator na to papunta dito. And now, sabi natin, sin y over y ng limit, this is 1. Diba? And this is 0. And this is 1. Okay? So, ang matitira na lang sa atin would be 1 over square root of 2. Okay? So, matitira to, square root of 2 na yan. And this is just equal to square root of 2 over 2. Okay? So, yung whole natin na limit, so limit as x approaches negative pi over 4 ng sin x plus pi over 4 all over 2 cosine x minus square root of 2 is just equal to square root of 2 over 2. Okay? So, ginamit natin yung idea na sine of f(x) over f of x is equal to 1 and yung 1 minus cosine f of x all over f of x is equal to 0. Okay? So, see you in the next video.